Okay, I'm now going to show you how we change the pop-up speakers on the HotSpring range. Should only take you 5 or 10 minutes to do the job. Basic job, only need a few tools. You need some silicone to reseat the new house, the new speaker. You need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade, and something to cut the wires with, and some electrical tape. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just remove the bezel around the edge of the speaker. So a flat blade just underneath, and that should just pop up. Just like so. And then reveal you've got 4 screws. The replacement speaker comes with new screws, but it's worth keeping those anyway. And then with some gentle persuasion, the old speaker should lift out like so. We're then going to clean off all the old silicone, make sure it's nice and dry, ready to take the new one. Okay, that's all ready to take the new one. You just need to attach, using the existing speaker cable that's here, we're going to attach the new speaker cable to it. It's attached to the new speaker. We pull it through and then we refit the new speaker. Now I'm just going to cut the old speaker off. Now going to move around to the front of the spar where the equipment compartment is, pull the speaker cable through, and then obviously fit the new speaker into the hole. Okay, so I've located the other end of the speaker cable. I'm just going to start to pull through the cable. We've now pulled the cable through sufficient so that we can just pop the speaker in on the side of the hot tub. Okay, before we put the speaker in, a couple of things we check. Firstly, you need to make sure that the grilled area of the speaker is actually facing the right way, so this would have been incorrect. So we turn that round so that the grill is facing inside the spar so you can hear it better. We then, with a silicone, seal so that as it goes down there's a silicone bead underneath this piece. Yep. So we're going to just run some silicone around. I'm going to pop the speaker in, line the holes up in the top with the holes for the screws, and we just simply screw it back in. once that's done, you're going to get the bezel, just a small amount of silicone, just to help hold that in place. Just tidy up any excess. And then simply push it down and it clips into place. And then all that's left to do now is to reconnect the speaker in the control area. So we now undo the old cable from the new cable. We now just need to connect this in to the back of the amp. So we'll just tidy the cables back up, and then we'll just test the audio just to make sure that's working okay. And that's how you replace the pop-up speaker.